In this video, I will show you how to make this fluffy red rice in an instant pot. This is everything you will need, so let's get started. First, you're going to take your red rice in a bowl and wash it with water about 4 to 5 times. Then add it to your instant pot along with the water and the salt. And then close the lid. Make sure that the valve is set to sealing. And then turn on your instant pot and set the pressure cook time to 20 minutes. And make sure the pressure cook setting is on high. And then you're going to let it pressure cook for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes, let it keep warm for 15 minutes and let the pressure naturally release. After which you're going to move the valve to venting and then open your lid after the pressure is released. And you have your fluffy red rice ready to serve. As you can see, the grains of rice are nice and separate and fluffy. Serve this with whatever you like and enjoy. Subscribe for more recipes, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!